Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper on it's Tuesday September the 29th. We have here only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. There is also an additional in this newspaper with, I believe, 8 extra Sudokus. But I will solve this regular Sudoku first. And this one will be number 1641. Yes, 1641. Alright, and before I start, I always count the printed numbers so you have an indication of the difficulty level. Let me count. We have here 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 3 is 15 plus 2 is 17 plus 4 is 21 plus 3 is 24 plus 2 is equal to 26. And if you compare with the Sudokus in the additional with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and 4 stars Sudokus, then this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I use? We see here 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column. Third column. 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Or there we see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. Let me see. Which number can I use? How about the 8 in this column? 8 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Or there we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. The 9 in this row, the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so in the row between, only place for the 5 should be there. I cannot continue with the 5. How about the number? Let me see. Wonderful. 1, 4, 5. All right. Yeah. Alright. We have a 1 in this column, a 1 in that column. So the middle column, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And then 1, 2. No, it's not the solution. How about, yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2, oh wait, we have a 2 also there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in that box. 1 box left for the 2, should be there. 2 in this row, last row, 2 in that row, so the row between. Only place for the 2 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 8 and 9 is missing. And look, we have an 8 and a 9 here. So in this box, no 8 and a 9. So 1 digit left should be the 4. The 8 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column, so in the second column, the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. It's a pair, so I mark them for you, so it's easier to follow. Yes. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 6. We see here 6, so no 6 there, so the 6 could be here or could be there. So we have in this row a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In the middle row we have a 6 over there. So in the row below, the only place for the 6 should be here. 6 is missing in this big square. The 4 is missing. Cannot fill this. And the 9 is missing. We see here 9, so no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And I've eliminated one of the 6s. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. This box is reserved for the 4. 4 and the 9, we have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this second column for the number 8. No, 8 we have. 9. No, 9 we have. 7 we have. 6, 5, 4. I need a 4 here in the second column. How about these 2 numbers in the first column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing and the 7 is missing. Let me mark them for you. 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. That means the other 3 numbers should be the 1, 2 and the 6. 1, 2 and a 6. And look, we have a 1 and a 2 here. So no 1 and a 2 there. The 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these two boxes. There 6, no 6 in those two boxes. One box left for the 6 should be there. 4, 5, 7 are missing in this big square. Yeah. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 9 and 7. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 boxes left in the last row for the numbers 1 and 7. I marked them for you. And the other 2 boxes for the numbers 3 and 6. 3 and 6. These 2 boxes in this row for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have a 2 here. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 1 goes there. How about... 4, 4. Yes, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. One of the missing number here is a 3. We see here 3. So no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So the 5 and the 7 are missing. Let me mark them for you. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. That means that 1 box left in the middle row for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this row or in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row, so the row between, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes left for the 7 and the 5 as a pair. That means these 2 boxes, 7, 5 and the 3 is missing. We have a 3 now, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 6 and this should be a 3. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 1 box left in this last column for the number 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be the 7 and this should be a 5. Now we have a 7 there, so this cannot be 7 anymore. This should be a 7 and this should be a 5. 1 box left in this third row for the number 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be a 7. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be 7 anymore. This should be a 7 and this should be a 1. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care. stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the additional with extra Sudokus, and bye bye for now.